Zoot Systems presents digital marketing for footwear industry. With several interruptions to the market after such a pandemic situation in the first half of 2020, it's not astonishing as most industries, including footwear, have experienced setbacks. However, maximum offline stores remain closed in the first few months of the year, and so online shopping saw a constant increase, which has helped to keep this competitive marketing flourishing as retail stores started to reopen and gain sales again. With an increase in preferences about e-commerce websites, it is important for both the footwear wholesalers and retailers that their digital marketing strategies are set to perform excellence. Looking for the best digital marketing company in India to fuel the footwear industry perspective? Zoot Systems online marketing solution is a customized blend of organic search strategies, paid campaigns, email marketing, and content management to create a successful way to increase website traffic, more conversion, and generate a good amount of revenue as well. Their team of SEO experts can address all your online marketing needs by creating genuine and keyword-specific content along with sharing maximum posts over popular social media platforms. This approach is quite useful for the footwear industry to promote their brand digitally. Their digital marketers also know how to get the exact results you are looking for in the footwear industry. Zoot Systems have developed ROAS for their client up to 400% and well-versed with creating social media campaigns for footwear brands of all sizes. Every professional of their digital marketing team has years of experience in the digital world, and each one possesses an extensive setting in researching industry-specific news and trends to ensure your marketing strategy is relevant and capable of generating new leads and sales. 5 best digital marketing strategies for footwear industry. Think about social media marketing. Run paid campaigns. Focus on search engine optimization. Determine target audiences for footwear industry. Content management is extremely important for brand promotion. Encouraging shoppers to spread updates about your shoes makes social networking an important online marketing strategy. Incorporate social media platforms and posts to interact with prospective shoppers who are interested in purchasing your shoes. Sharing informative posts with keyword-specific content is extremely significant to promote yourself as a shoe manufacturer or retailer. Zoot System will guide you to create an optimized website with keyword-specific content and an easy-to-use interface. And so, you can promote and rank your shoe manufacturing or retailing unit in search engines and social media. To boost your professional side and generate maximum client leader under the expertise supervision of Zoot Systems, please feel free to get in touch with us on the given contact.